Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. It's your girl Olivia from Lashay Makeup Artistry, and today I'm gonna do a lash video. So right now I'm looking kind of crazy. I have blue eyeshadow, green underneath my eyes, and red lips, but I'm gonna make it work today. I'm wearing a white shirt, so this is like my Christmas colors. If y'all want a specific video, then just let me know. Sorry, everybody's like blowing up my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these lashes. You can get them off of like AliExpress. They're just, you know, regular lashes. They're called G808, if that helps. And let me see, let me get back into focus. The first thing I'm gonna do is put some mascara on, because we can't go anywhere without mascara, especially if you've done some white or blue or light color eyeshadow to make your lashes look lighter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara on, and I'm hopefully as close as I can get so that y'all can see what I'm doing. I hope y'all are having a happy new year. Don't forget to comment, like this video, share it, subscribe, because 2019 is going to be the bomb, at least for me. So already I started to not look crazy anymore. Go ahead and put some on your other eye. Lashes is my preference, but if you already have long lashes, you know, you don't have to wear them as long as you put mascara on. Okay, so I'm starting to look like this makeup look is coming together, because it was looking a hot mess 5 seconds ago. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom lashes as well. Take some more mascara. And I like to look up and to the side. Just kind of brush that on. See, already it's giving me that more dramatic look with my lower lashes. Looking up and to the side on my other eye. Putting some mascara. It's already coming together. You don't want to walk around looking like a clown, you know. I usually don't wear bold lips with like this ice blue eye, but I love it. You see, it's really, you know, that green is just that extra touch that I put underneath it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my lashes and I'm going to cut the ends. It's like a little tip at the end. I don't know if I can. It's like a little tip at the end, like right there, that I'm going to cut off. I usually don't have to cut my eyelashes too much because my eyes are already big. And I like them to be kind of extra. So I've just cut one lash. I'm going to go ahead and cut the other. What did y'all get from Christmas? For Christmas, just comment below. If y'all don't celebrate Christmas, at least respect the people who do. and you know, just tell me what you want for the new year. How about that? Okay, so now I'm gonna take my little, now sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'll take this little tweezer. It's like 4 lashes. Let's see if I can, yeah. Some lash company had gave that to me, so I have no idea which one. But you can get this like Japanese, yeah, Target sells these lash tweezers, and yeah, any beauty store should have them. And I'm gonna take Sonia Kashuk's black eyelash glue, and it's latex free. I've gotten glue all over it, so excuse that. And yeah, so I'm going to take one of my lashes and hold it with my lash holder, just like that, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this glue, squeeze a little bit out, and just go ahead and apply it onto the lash band. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but I just run it about 2 or 3 times. Be careful with the Sonia Kashuk glue if you're using it, because it is very liquidy, so that's why I say squeeze it first so that you have that right amount before trying to put it on your lashes, or it's gonna be a mess. And me wearing a white shirt right now, that wouldn't be a good idea if you try to just directly wing it. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit closer. I've got my lash in my hand. I'm looking to the side, and I'm holding it up, and I'm placing it where I want it automatically. As the glue is drying, I'm molding it to my lash line. From corner to corner, and pressing really into the corner so that it'll stay. If you have a fan, you can use that to kind of blow, you know, onto your lashes. But you can see automatically. These are really dramatic. But it pulls the lashes together. I wanted y'all to be able to see what I'm doing, so I chose some very dramatic lashes. You can look to the other side to get the inner corner. Like I said, just play with it until you get it as close as possible. And then once it's where you want it, just leave it alone. So that's one, that's before, and that's after. Before on this side, and after. Excuse my hair, y'all, it's a mess. Okay. And you have to kind of feel it. Okay, now on to the other side. Video. Video recording takes a minute to do, so I'm not going to repeat the steps, I guess. For the other side, I'm just going to go ahead and put them on and let y'all see it. Okay. They will try to pop up if your hands are sticky, so make sure they're clean. So this one is dry. Just check it and make sure you press it in. And this one is drying. So keep playing with it until you get it to where you want it. You can pull it a little bit closer to your inner corner. And yeah, so you went from looking crazy to, you know, pretty. Hopefully this will help y'all in the new year. And I hope y'all have a great night, great day. Make sure y'all share this video once again, subscribe, comment, and like, and also y'all leave me suggestions on what should be my next video. So yeah, and how do y'all like my hair? I'm feeling it. Okay. All right, peace.